The author of the book, The Teenage Brain, describes it this way. It's so great. It says that the teenage brain is like a Maserati right off the assembly line. It is so well tuned and it is so well put together, but it's never been road tested. I love that. So when they come to school, guess what they're doing? They're road testing it, okay? They are road testing it. It is at its peak of development. It's like little kids. It's like why little kids don't like pickles, and they make these faces when you give them Brussels sprouts and when they're elementary school, because they have the most taste buds they're ever going to have. And once you get to like that 20-year-old age, you start losing taste buds. So that's why we get those. The same thing with the brain. It's at the prime peak, but it's never been road tested. So the problem is that unless it happens to them, they don't believe it. So their friend can get in an accident for texting and driving, but they'll tell you, oh, I'm good. And we can show them films and we can do all that. But unless it happens to them, it's so hard for them to wrap their head around. That's why it's so hard being a parent, because I send you off and I tell you, don't text and drive. And I just hope, for the best. And it's tough. It's tough. So we have to really, really understand that. The teenage brain is a different brain than ours.